As political tensions around the world continue to rise, military power remains a critical factor in protecting national interests and maintaining the global balance of power. Today, major powers are spending trillions of dollars to develop war machines capable of operating on land, at sea, in the air, and even in space. From tanks, nuclear submarines, and stealth fighters to hypersonic missiles capable of traveling at speeds many times faster than sound, each weapon represents the pinnacle of science, engineering, and military-industrial capability. Today, join Mandarin Tech as we explore some of the world's leading military weapons and discover how they are shaping modern warfare and the global balance of power. Tupolev Tu-160. Among all the military aircraft ever built, few are as visually striking as the Tupolev Tu-160. Designated by NATO with the codename Blackjack, it is known in Russia as the White Swan, thanks to its distinctive white paint scheme and its variable sweep wings, which give it the appearance of a swan spreading its wings across the sky. With a length of more than 54 meters, a maximum wingspan of nearly 56 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight exceeding 270 tons, it is the largest and heaviest supersonic bomber ever placed into operational service. Developed by the Tupolev Design Bureau of the Soviet Union during the final years of the Cold War, the Tu-160 was created to maintain long-range strategic deterrence capabilities. Unlike many bombers of its era, the Blackjack features a variable geometry wing design that allows it to optimize performance across different flight regimes. Powered by 4 extremely powerful NK-32 turbofan engines, this massive aircraft can reach speeds of more than Mach 2, equivalent to approximately 2,000 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest bomber ever to serve in modern military history. However, the true strength of the Tu-160 lies not only in its speed but also in its weapons carrying capacity. Its internal weapons bays can carry dozens of tons of long-range cruise missiles, including missiles capable of carrying nuclear warheads. This allows the aircraft to strike targets thousands of kilometers away without having to penetrate deep into enemy air defense zones. More than 4 decades after its introduction, the Tu-160 remains one of the most recognizable symbols of Russia's strategic military power. With its enormous size, supersonic speed, and long-range strike capability, the Blackjack continues to play a vital role in Russia's strategic deterrence forces and is widely regarded as one of the most formidable bombers ever to take to the skies. Iron Dome. Amid escalating tensions across the Middle East, attacks involving rockets, missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles have become one of the most significant security threats facing countries throughout the region. Within just a few minutes, dozens of rockets can be launched towards cities, military bases, or critical infrastructure. To counter such attacks, Israel developed Iron Dome, one of the most well-known missile defense systems in the world. Designed to detect, calculate, and intercept incoming threats within seconds, Iron Dome was created to protect civilian areas from short-range rocket and artillery attacks. Introduced into service in 2011, Iron Dome consists of detection radars, a battle management and fire control center, and Tamir interceptor missile launchers. When the radar detects an incoming object, the system's computers rapidly calculate its trajectory and predict its point of impact. One of Iron Dome's most distinctive features is that it does not intercept every target. If the system determines that a rocket will land in an open area or pose no danger, it can ignore the threat in order to conserve interceptor missiles. However, if a target is assessed as a threat to civilian areas, critical infrastructure, or military bases, a Tamir interceptor missile is launched to destroy it in midair. Over the years, Iron Dome has been deployed repeatedly during conflicts across the Middle East. The sight of interceptor missiles streaking into the night sky before erupting in bright explosions has become closely associated with the system. Today, Iron Dome is regarded as one of the most famous missile defense systems in the world. Its ability to detect, calculate, and respond within an extremely short period of time has made it a vital component of Israel's air defense strategy. F-35 Lightning II. F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced fighter aircraft ever built and also the most expensive military aircraft program in history. Developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States military and numerous allied nations, the F-35 combines stealth technology, advanced sensors, and network-centric warfare capabilities into a single platform. Today, thousands of aircraft have been produced and are in service with countries around the world, making the Lightning II one of the most recognizable symbols of 21st century air power. The design of the F-35 focuses on minimizing its radar signature. The aircraft features a distinctive airframe shape combined with radar-absorbing materials, while most of its weapons are carried inside internal bays to reduce reflected radar signals. This allows the aircraft to approach targets with a significantly lower probability of detection compared with many previous generation fighters. However, the most remarkable feature of the F-35 is not its stealth coating but its sensor suite. Radar systems, infrared cameras, and electronic sensors continuously collect information from the surrounding environment and then fuse that data into a single battlefield picture displayed to the pilot. As a result, pilots can track targets, identify threats, and make decisions more quickly in complex combat environments. The F-35 can also share data in real time with other aircraft, warships, air defense systems, and ground command centers. The combination of stealth technology, advanced sensors, and connectivity has made the Lightning II one of the most influential fighter aircraft in modern aerial warfare. S-400. In Russia, a country that possesses one of the largest air defense networks in the world, the S-400 Triumph is considered one of the most prominent long-range surface-to-air missile systems today. Its purpose is to create an air defense shield capable of detecting, tracking, and destroying various types of aerial targets at very long distances. A standard S-400 system includes several components operating in coordination with one another. Among them, the missile launch vehicles are the most visible elements on the battlefield. Each launcher can carry 4 launch tubes containing different types of missiles with varying ranges. The system can use short-range missiles of about 40 kilometers, medium-range missiles of 120 kilometers, long-range missiles of 250 kilometers, and an ultra-long-range type that can reach 400 kilometers. Thanks to this combination, the S-400 can create multiple layers of defense to counter threats at different distances. In addition to the launchers, the radar system plays an extremely important role in the overall combat capability of the S-400. Data from the radar is transmitted to the command center, where computer systems analyze the information, identify threats, and select the appropriate interception method. Once a target is identified, the command station orders the launchers to use the suitable type of missile. While the missile is flying toward the target, the fire control radar continues updating data to adjust the interception trajectory in real time. Thanks to the combination of long detection range, the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously, and a multi-layer missile system, the S-400 is considered one of the key pillars of modern air defense. In many conflicts today, systems like this play a crucial role in protecting airspace and strategic facilities. Type 055. Type 055 is the largest and most advanced destroyer ever built by China and is widely regarded as one of the most powerful surface warships currently in service anywhere in the world. With a length of approximately 180 meters and a full load displacement of more than 12,000 tons, Type 055 is so large that many military analysts consider it closer to a cruiser than a destroyer. Developed to protect carrier strike groups and extend the operational reach of the Chinese Navy, Type 055 features a radar cross-section reduction design and a modern phased array radar system capable of simultaneously tracking multiple aerial and surface targets. The most notable feature of the warship is its vertical launch system, consisting of 112 missile cells. This system can deploy a wide range of weapons, from surface-to-air missiles and anti-ship missiles to land attack missiles. As a result, Type 055 is capable of carrying out a variety of missions, ranging from fleet escort and area air defense to long-range strike operations. In addition to its powerful firepower, the warship is equipped with helicopters and advanced electronic warfare systems to enhance its reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare, and self-defense capabilities. When operating alongside aircraft carriers and other escort vessels, Type 055 serves as an important protective shield for the entire carrier strike group. Today, the emergence of Type 055 is regarded as evidence of the rapid modernization of the Chinese Navy. With its large size, powerful armament, and multi-mission combat capabilities, this warship has become one of the most prominent symbols of Chinese naval power in the 21st century. Bell-Boeing V-22 Osprey. Neither a fixed-wing aircraft nor a helicopter in the traditional sense, the Bell-Boeing 522 Osprey is the result of a very specific ambition to combine the vertical takeoff and landing capability of a helicopter with the speed and range of a turboprop aircraft. It is the world's first military tilt rotor to enter operational service, creating an entirely new category in military aviation. The V-22 emerged from hard lessons learned after the Iran hostage rescue mission, when the U.S. military realized that helicopters were not fast enough or capable of flying far enough, while conventional aircraft could not land vertically. In terms of design, the V-22 uses two Rolls-Royce AE 1107C turboshaft engines housed in rotating nacelles, which can transition from a vertical to a horizontal position in roughly 12 seconds. During takeoff and landing, it operates like a helicopter. In cruise flight, its wings generate lift like a fixed-wing aircraft. The two engines are connected by a cross-shaft, allowing one engine to power both rotors in the event that the other fails. The Osprey can carry 24 fully equipped troops, or approximately 9 tons of cargo internally, reach a cruising speed of over 240 knots, fly at altitudes above 7,600 meters, and achieve a range far greater than that of medium-lift helicopters. Its wings and rotors can be folded, enabling deployment from amphibious assault ships and other confined spaces. Although it was once controversial due to high costs and early accidents, the V-22 has since proven its value in tactical transport, air assault operations, special operations support, and humanitarian relief. It is not a perfect design, but it represents a conceptual leap that demonstrates how the traditional limits of helicopters can indeed be broken. Bastion-P. Not every dangerous weapon appears in the sky or at sea. Some systems are designed to remain hidden along coastlines, waiting for the right moment to launch an attack from hundreds of kilometers away. One notable example is the Bastion-P, a mobile coastal defense missile system developed by Russia to protect coastal regions and prevent enemy warships from approaching strategic areas. The primary weapon of this system is the P-800 Onyx anti-ship cruise missile. This supersonic missile is designed to destroy high-value surface targets such as destroyers, military transport vessels, and even carrier strike groups. After launch, the missile can climb to an altitude of 14,000 meters to conserve fuel before descending just above sea level during the terminal phase in order to reduce the likelihood of radar detection. Thanks to its high speed and complex flight profile, intercepting the Onyx remains a significant challenge for many modern naval air defense systems. A typical Bastion-P battery consists of 4 launcher vehicles, along with command vehicles, radar vehicles, and reload vehicles. When fully deployed, the system can establish a control zone extending hundreds of kilometers along the coastline. In addition to Russia, the Bastion-P has also been exported to several countries, including Vietnam and Syria, making it one of the most notable coastal defense systems in service today. Today, the Bastion-P is regarded as one of Russia's most well-known coastal defense missile systems. The combination of high-mobility, supersonic missiles, and wide-area coverage has made it an important component of the coastal defense and maritime deterrent strategies of many nations. From stealth fighters capable of controlling the skies and missile defense systems protecting entire cities to massive warships carrying what is essentially a miniature air force at sea, each weapon reflects the scientific expertise, technological advancement, and industrial capability of the nation behind it. However, military competition has never stood still. As today's advanced systems gradually become the new standard, technologies such as artificial intelligence, directed energy weapons, autonomous drones, and next-generation hypersonic missiles continue to shape the future of warfare. In your opinion, which weapon was the most impressive on today's list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Mandarin Tech to explore more remarkable engineering projects, technologies, and military systems from around the world.